In today's video, I will show you how to create Valentine's nail art. I will show you how to paint a teddy bear and create a 3D heart nail art. I don't want to waste your time, so let's dive in. These are the products that I'm going to be using. The description box below lists all the products used in this video. Take a look at this sketch of the teddy bear. The head and the body on the left side are in a 1:1 ratio. The body is smaller and the head is bigger on the right side. It will look more adorable on the right side, so I decided to draw the right one. Now let's start drawing. The brush is already prepped and ready to use. I added those 3 guidelines for the head and the body. Create outlines first. We will fill the inside so the lines don't have to be precise. I finished the outlines. I then start filling the inside of the lines. Don't try to use the gel polish too much at one time. It could cause a wrinkled surface and it doesn't cure properly. Apply a nice and thin layer and cure for each layer. After I cure the first layer, I apply the second one here. By the way, these are the liner brushes that I'm using. The bristle is very thin and flexible and made in Japan. These brushes make it easy for you to draw. I have a coupon code in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Okay, I finished the base of the teddy bear and cured for 30 seconds. Let's add a shadow to it. Apply dark brown gel polish on the edge of the teddy bear. Now, use a gel top coat with an inhibition layer to blend the dark brown gel. Using the tapping motion to blend. Repeat the steps to add shadows and details. The mini flash cure light comes in handy. Adding light beige on his nose. Flash cure between the process. Adding white gel to highlight. Continue to draw details. I'm drawing the nose and eyes. It's getting there. Flash cure between the process. Adding more highlight on the forehead and the arms. I then start drawing the heart on the belly. I'm using the white first, curing it, then applying pink on top of it. This process is super detailed. I'm adding a small highlight on the eyes and nose. It makes a big difference in this process. And the final touch with black gel. I'm only using the tip of the brush. I'm using the liner L for this. The tip is super thin. After curing it, apply a gel top coat and cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, the teddy bear is done. Next, let's create a fun 3D nail art. I'm using this empty acrylic powder jar. Cover it with aluminum foil. Rub it to remove the wrinkle. I need this flat surface so it doesn't have to be this jar. You can use a palette or anything flat. I'm creating an acrylic board. Create it as flat and thin as possible. I'm making it with different colors. Later on, I changed my mind. I decided not to use this white one. Sometimes you get other ideas as you proceed, you know? After the mixtures are completely dried, cut them into pieces, or you can carefully remove them from the foil. I found this punching tool from Michaels. I'm using this. I created a board as thin as possible because if it's too thick, it can't punch through it. I made a few of them. Now start drawing the alphabet on them. I'm using white gel and a liner L brush. Cure it for 30 seconds. Gel top coat it and cure it for 30 seconds. So I finished making these words "Be Mine." Aren't they cute? Let's apply them to the nail in order. I already applied white gel polish and gel top coat and cured each on the base of the nail. You can use hard gel or any medium you prefer. I like using a clear acrylic mixture for this case because I have time to adjust it until it is completely cured. Make sure to be well balanced. And you're all done. Let me know what you think. If you want to learn more basic gel nail art techniques, I recommend taking my online course. If you're a beginner, this course is all you need to learn how to start hand painting. If you're a nail artist, this course will help you refresh your skills. In this course, you will learn how to draw a simple flower and also how to hold and move the brush effectively. Check the link in the description. And if you want to check the brush I used, I also have a link in the description. Make sure to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified when I release new videos like this one, and I will see you on the next one.